Hi guys, what's up? This is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be doing a product review. So the product that I'll be reviewing is this from Anastasia. This is called a Riviera Palette and it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Well, it was launched last year. I'm pretty late in doing a review and getting my hands on it, but still, in India, everything that we receive is much later than the rest of the world. We are pretty unfortunate, when it comes to makeup. We don't get the new collection that easily and that soon. And there are very few brands that are actually available in India. So anyways, thankfully, we have Sephora now in India and we can shop online. There's a website called Now. So it's n3ow.com. So that's the website from where you can shop Sephora items, and I'll let you know about my experience. It was pretty good. So this was the first time that I ordered something from that website, and the experience was pretty good. So I'll be talking about I'll be showing you how the palette looks. We'll do some swatches, and also I'll tell you the price of this palette and the discount that I got. So let's get started, guys. And also let me remind you to please subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet. It's my duty to remind you all, so don't get annoyed because I keep saying this in all my videos. Anyways guys, so let's get started with the review. So this is the packaging, guys. This is how it comes. Well, it came with this thing scratch. I believe there was probably a price tag or something here, the magnetic tag that I usually hear, so probably that was taken off. So anyways, so it came in a box like this, which was bubble wrapped and everything. What a beautiful looking packaging. I absolutely love the colors that they have used here. It's blue and white stripes and it's written in gold. It looks fabulous. And let me just show you guys the palette now. So this is how the palette looks. Exactly the same packaging like the box, like the same colors, and the cover is nice and textured. Well, I am pretty scared because I know I will end up spoiling this and dirtying this because I keep all my makeup together, and especially when I'm working, I end up putting my dirty hands on it, so I'm a little scared this. But anyways, once it gets dirty, I'll figure out how to clean this. So this is how the palette looks. I love the packaging. As I said, it gives a very nice beach vibes to me. I don't know why. When I saw this palette, I instantly felt like going for a holiday. And so yeah, these are the gorgeous colors that are inside, guys. What do you think about it? I fell in love with this color, this purple, and this pink color. In fact, I used this pink color and this shade Monte Carlo to create this eye makeup look, which is another video, so you can go and watch that. I also created pink halo eyes with this look, which also I've shot, so that's another video. So, but today we'll just do the swatches and we'll talk about all the shades. Okay, so there are 14 shades in this palette. We have some matte shades here at the bottom line, and on top there are these shimmer shades, except this white one. This white is a matte shade, but it is so beautiful, guys. You can use it in so many ways. Trust me, the halo eyes that I created, I used this white shade in the middle and it looked fabulous. I mean, this is one palette. Okay, I'll talk about it later. I am so much in love with it, guys. I love all these shades, and I'm very, very excited to create some amazing looks with this palette. And so it comes with a brush, which is amazing. Let me show you guys the brush. I've still not opened it. Two different sides of this brush. So this side you have like a blending brush, and the other side is more stiff, which can be used, just to place the eyeshadow or maybe smudge some eyeshadow in the lower lash line and stuff like that. So pretty nice, pretty cool. In fact, when you're traveling, this is what you need. 14 shades, and then you get an a duo eyeshadow brush. And let me just give you guys a close-up of this palette. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, so let's go on to the pricing of this palette, guys. So in India, this palette is available for 5,150 rupees, and then I got some discount on Sephora. So they are running a 20% discount right now, which is right now, as in like I'm filming this video in October 2020. So yeah, so I got some discount. So it costed me 4,120 rupees. So this is the price after discount, which I feel is pretty good for an eyeshadow palette like this. Also guys, this is a perfect palette to create any eye makeup look. You can just create very matte eye makeup, something like this, what I have done. Or you can go completely like do a glam eye makeup look, because it has these beautiful colors and shimmer shades. They have this gray shade, the bluish shade. This is one palette I think I would love to travel with. It has transition colors, it has shimmer shades, it has this brown shade which you can easily use for your outer corners or to create halo eyes. I think it's just so perfect. And one thing that I like about this palette is that there is no black eyeshadow. Every palette has a black eyeshadow, and I really don't use black eyeshadow that much. And I'm like, oh my god, you're just wasting that space, you know, just give us some more colors. So I think so yes, so this is one palette that I think I would love to travel with, simply because it has all the transition shades, the darker shades, the shimmer shades. So let's swatch these shades and see how intense they are. So I'll be starting from this side, all right, from the left side. So going with the first shade, which is Estate. Well, this is a very light transition shade, so you can hardly see it, but I think it's still visible. All right, now going with this beautiful shade called Cabana. Now this is a very yellowish mustard shade. Oh my god, so I don't think so I have a shade like this in any of my palette. Now I'm just going with the Coastline and Bahamas, guys. I love this color. It's there on my eyes also right now. Now going on the next shade, which is Monte Carlo, Cons. I think these shades are perfect. They are very intense, and I'm just putting it on my hand without any primer, without any foundation. Still they are so intense. But I personally love this color. Look at this.
Oh my god. Then I just watched everything on my hand and then show you guys those shades.
So guys, here are all the shades that I have swatched from the palette. They're not all the shades, but yeah, most of them, and they are pretty intense. You know, these shimmer shades are more like they're like pressed eyeshadows. So what you need to do is, if you use your fingers to apply this, the intensity of these eyeshadows will be more. So yes guys, as I was saying, I love the formula, I love the colors, I love how intense these colors are, and the formula is beautiful. It is not very chalky or patchy and stuff, and it has blended very beautifully, because I have already used it for 2 of my videos, so I know that the blending part was very easy. So guys, if you want one palette, if you take my recommendation and if you love playing with colors, I would say go for a palette like this. I am honestly, personally pretty excited to have this in my kit. And the only problem is, though the packaging looks very pretty, but can you see, I just spoiled my palette by touching it. So yes, so this is one concern. I think after a few months it will start looking really dirty, and that's one more reason that I wanted to do the review before I end up dirtying it. So yes, I'll have to find a way to keep it very clean. So in case if you are confused about buying this palette, I would say just go ahead. It's a thumbs up, at least from my side for Anastasia, and thank you Sephora India for making this available to us. So I'll see you guys very soon with more eye makeup looks using this palette. So till then, take care of yourself guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.